Hey there, Chris Woods here from Daily STEM. Now today I just got a box from Instructables.com. Now it's a great website that has all sorts of tutorials, all sorts of how to make things. So if you're a teacher, a parent, even a kid who just likes to make stuff, Instructables.com is a great website to try out. What it is it's basically a bunch of how-tos that people upload. How to build a revolving Christmas tree, how to make a paper airplane launcher. You could search for just about anything you want, all different types of things, all different types of categories of types of making. Whether you have a STEM class or a STEAM lab or a maker space, it's great for that. Teachers can also search by elementary, middle school, or high school. You can also search by content area as well. It's just really a great website for finding cool things to get your kids making and thinking and creating. We want our kids to not just be consumers of content, but also to be creating things. So Instructables is that website. You can even have kids, after they've created something in your classroom, you could have them try to write out the instructions. And you can set up a teacher account. You can upload some of the great things that your kids are making. There's even some contests where you can win some prizes too. Let's see what Instructables sent me. This is robot pins. All right, that's their logo, kind of a robot, very cool. I'll probably be giving some of those out when I present at conferences. This says pencils. Oh, those are some very cool, high-tech quality pencils. Looks like a bunch of these. Looks like a little notepad. It's graph paper. Now, graph paper helps a kid to actually draw something before they just start making. Always get your kids to think about how they're actually going to make it. And this is pretty cool. It's got a little project list. You could even make your own if... oh, look at that. Even some other cool stuff in the back. Those are cool. My students will like those. This says stickers, so we got stickers. Yep, teachers love stickers on their laptops. Look all cool and spiffy and technology. Ooh, we got some big cutout robot stickers. Again, the Instructables logo. This is probably not live bait for fishing. It is a cool Instructables mug. That'll be great on my desk, and a t-shirt. All right, so thank you, Instructables. Appreciate it. And teachers, Instructables, find some great ideas. Get your kids to search. Say, what do you want to build, kids? And have them hop on Instructables.com and see what they can make.